This 12-in-1 multi-tool hammer just came in, and I'm gonna unbox it and we're gonna look at it up close. It has a thick nylon cover that has a belt loop. This is a 12-in-1 hammer. It has a nice black color to it. I like the color. I like the look of it. It has some good weight to it. Nice spring action at the top. The locking mechanism works really well. The hammerhead is smooth. It has a flat nose, plier, and pipe wrench with a nail claw and wire cutter. Also contains a flat and Phillips head screwdriver, nail file, bottle opener, and a couple of different saw variations. Very cool, very easy to slide the tools up and down. I like it. It has some nice weight to it in the right spots at the top. It's nice and heavy. Very nice. Hope this helps, and I hope you have yourself a great day.